The indignity of the portal. You helped build the systems these companies run on. You were managing teams when the hiring manager was still watching cartoons. You have 30 years of battle-tested experience. And yet, you are currently getting rejected by an algorithm written by a 24-year-old. There is a specific kind of rage that only Gen X understands. It's the rage of the job portal. You spend hours tailoring your resume. You strip out the graduation date so they can't guess your age. You dumb down your title so you don't look too expensive. You hit submit, and nothing. Silence, or the instant auto-rejection. You aren't imagining it. The system is rigged against you. Corporate America loves experience in theory, but in 2026, they hate it in practice. They want cheap, they want malleable, and they want young. If you are over 50, you are the gray glitch in their matrix. So, I have a radical proposal for you today. Stop knocking. Stop begging for permission to work. Today, we are going to burn your resume and build a business. This is the Gen X Guide to the Consultant Pivot. Standard disclaimer. I am not a career counselor. I am a strategist. This is about survival economics. If you want to regain your income and your dignity, we have to change the game. Part 1. The overqualified lie. First, let's decode the single most common insult you hear. You're overqualified. It sounds like a compliment. It isn't. In corporate speak, overqualified means 3 things. You're expensive. They can hire 2 juniors for your price. You're a flight risk. They think you'll leave when a better job comes along. You're intimidating. This is the big one nobody admits. If you are 52 and the hiring manager is 32, they are terrified of you. They know you know more than they do. They don't want to manage someone who could do their job better. They want a subordinate, not a rival. So as long as you apply for jobs, you are trapped. You are trying to sell a Ferrari, you to a used car lot that only buys Civics. We need to stop selling to HR. HR is the gatekeeper, and the gate is locked. We need to sell to the owner. Here is the secret. Companies treat employees like liabilities, costs to be managed. But they treat vendors like assets, investments to solve problems. When you pivot to consulting, you enter through the vendor door. The vendor door is wide open for Gen X. Part 2. The Gen X superpower, we fix things. Why is the vendor door open for us? Because the modern workforce has a weakness. They are great at IDing. They are great at vibes. They are great at optimizing. But they are terrible at fixing broken systems. That is what Gen X does. We are the fixers. We grew up without tutorials. We figured it out. Your baggage, your age, is actually your inventory. Think about the last 3 companies you worked for. What gave the CEO a migraine? Was it the warehouse that was always losing inventory? Was it the sales team that couldn't use the CRM? Was it the compliance audit that they almost failed? That migraine is your product. You are not a general manager. That is boring. You are the guy who fixes inventory bleed. You are the woman who bulletproofs HR. Compliance. Specific. Surgical. Valuable. When you position yourself as the cure to the migraine, the age dynamic flips. They want someone older. If you are getting brain surgery, do you want the promising young surgeon or the one with gray hair who has done it 1,000 times? Exactly. In a crisis, gray hair equals premium. Part 3. The fractional play, the lifestyle hack. Now, let's talk about the model. You are used to the 9 to 5. You sell 100% of your soul to one company. That model is dying. The new model for Gen X is fractional. There are millions of small businesses, $2 million, $10 million revenue, that are chaotic messes. They need a COO, they need a CFO, they need an HR director. But they can't afford $200,000 a year for you. They can afford $4,000 a month. So you offer them the fractional executive package. I will be your COO for 5 hours a week. I will run the strategy meeting, hold the team accountable, and fix the processes. To them, it's a bargain. They get a heavyweight champion for the price of a junior. To you? You stack 3 or 4 of these clients. Now you are making $16,000 a month, $192,000 a year. And the best part? No office politics. You aren't part of the family. You are the hired gun. You come in, you fix it, you leave. Part 4. The warm pitch bypassing the algorithm. So how do you get these clients? Rule number 1. No CV. If you send a resume, you are an applicant. If you send a proposal, you are a peer. Gen X, we have a massive advantage here. The Rolodex. You have 30 years of contacts. Former vendors, former clients, old bosses, people you met at conferences in 2005. You are going to use the wisdom ask. You do not ask for a job. Asking for a job smells like desperation. You ask for advice. The script. Hey, name. I'm finally leaving the corporate rat race to launch a niche practice helping industry companies fix specific problem. I'd love to get your 10-minute perspective on whether this is a real gap in the market. No sales pitch, just wanted your old guard wisdom. Flattery works. People love to give advice. When you get on that call, you tell them what you fix. Inevitably, they will say, you know, we actually have that problem. Or, I was just talking to Dave at Company X, and he is drowning in that exact issue. That is how you get hired, not through a portal, through a conversation. Part 5. Pricing your scars. A warning about money. When you start this, your employee brain will try to sabotage you. You will try to charge an hourly rate based on your old salary. I made $60 per hour, so I'll charge $80 per hour. Stop. You are not being paid for your time. You are being paid for your scars. You are being paid because you know which wire to cut. If you fix a $100,000 problem in 2 hours, you don't charge for 2 hours. You charge $10,000 for the solution. This is value-based pricing. Gen X, we have been underpriced for too long. We let companies rent our brains for a flat salary while they made millions off our efficiency. Consulting is how you capture that value back. The goal is to work less and earn more. That is the only way to catch up on retirement savings this late in the game. The mindset shift, control? I know what you are thinking. This feels risky. I need the safety of a job. Let's be real. Look around. Is your job safe? Layoffs are targeting us specifically. Ageism is real. Relying on one employer to be nice to you until you're 65 is the riskiest bet you can make. Consulting is diversification. If you have 4 clients and one fires you, you lose 25% of your income. You don't lose your house. Control is safety. Taking the wheel is scary, but sitting in the passenger seat while a 28-year-old drives the car off a cliff is scarier. Here is your challenge. Stop identifying as a former manager. Identify your niche. What is the one thing you fix better than anyone else? Write it down. I help who fix what so they can result. You are not overqualified. You are undervalued, but the market will only value you if you package yourself correctly. Burn the resume. Build the offer. If you want to know how to protect this new income from your family obligations, because they will come asking for money, watch the sandwich trap video next. We've got work to do.